Have you ever sat there picking flower petals saying, she loves me not? Well, in this puzzle, you have to fit all of these flower petals within the frame without any of them sticking above this top layer of the frame. You can see if we stick this piece in here, we have one already sticking outside of the frame, and there will be no way to get the rest of these pieces inside the frame. This puzzle is a level 8 on Puzzle Master scale that runs from 5 to 10 and is made by Alien Puzzles. To fit all the pieces into the frame, we have to first start with this largest flower on the bottom of the frame. Then we can place this piece up on the top of the puzzle. Next, we can take this piece and place it in over here, and that gives us the perfect space to fit this piece in beside that. Next, we can take this piece and place this over here. Then we can take this piece with one piece missing in the flower and place it over here. And finally, place this piece into the tray, leaving no pieces to stick above the frame. To see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here. To get the She Loves Me Not puzzle, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.